We are here today in Atlanta at Georgia Tech at the 2025 Regional Meeting of the National Academy of Engineering. Today's topic is energy and energy efficient manufacturing.
I was participating in the panel on clean energy manufacturing, and it was very exciting.
A lot of great topics that I've heard today, from industrial decarbonization to advancing manufacturing in the energy sector.
It's not just the technology, it's culture. It's how we give this technology provided to society.
Many scientific advancements come from fields outside their own. It allows us to take skills from both sectors or both fields and apply them to the other.
At the moment, majority of these technologies are produced overseas, produced in China. So if you want to have manufactured in the US, then you have to scale up.
We have leaders from various industrial sectors and academia, and so it was just very collaborative.
Many times you hear a session or a panel talk or a presentation and you have your own questions, you form your own thoughts and your questions, and then you hear someone with a lot more experience, someone that's a titan in the manufacturing industry or in the industrial sector, and they have such a different perspective on that talk. And hearing their perspective, hearing the way that they approach a problem or would tackle a strategy or would look at a policy is always very enlightening. So I really appreciate listening to everyone else's perspective, particularly those that have more experience.